Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you cancel app subscriptions on your iPhone. So first of all, let's open settings and click on your Apple ID. Here click on subscriptions. From here you can access your subscriptions. Also you can do is just open App Store. Now click on your profile on the top right corner. Here you will get option of subscriptions, click on it. So if you want to cancel any subscription, then you will get option of cancel subscription. Also you can change the frequency of payment by clicking on see all plans, and from here you can change the frequency to annual plan, monthly plan, etc. And if you want to cancel it, then you have to click on cancel subscription and now click on confirm. Now my subscription is cancelled and I can also renew it from here, and it will expire on the due date. Then click on done, and this is how you can cancel app subscriptions on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.